Hello students of class 7. Today we will solve some important equations from exercise 19 from the equation chapter. So please follow today's class carefully because some important equations we will solve. We will solve first sum number 31. In sum number 31 it is given that x by 7 plus 5 by 2, x by 7 plus 5 by 2 is equal to x by 4 minus half. So you have to solve this equation. You have to find the value of x. You have to evaluate the value of x. How will you do this? You will try to allocate x in the left hand side of the equal to sign. That is x by 7 minus x by 4. Why minus x by 4? Because x by 4 has changed its position from RHS to LHS, from right hand side to left hand side. That's why sign has become changed. Is equal to minus half minus 5 by 2. Minus half minus 5 by 2. Why again minus 5 by 2? Plus 5 by 2 has become minus 5 by 2. Why? This is because again the same thing we will follow, same rule. That is because the side has changed, the sign has also changed. Because the numerical constant has changed its position from the left hand side to the right hand side, that's why sign has automatically changed. Or 28, 7 4s are 28, so 4x minus 7x, and here 2 will be the LCM, so minus 1 minus 5, or minus 3x by 28 is equal to minus 6 by 2, or x is equal to, cross multiplication will be there. The numerator will become denominator in the right hand side, and the numerator and the denominator in the left hand side will become numerator in the right hand side. So both of them will be multiplied, but they will change the position. From numerator they will become denominator. So minus 6 into 28 by minus 3 into 2. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 2 and 2 will cancel. So x is equal to 28. This is the answer of sum number 31. Take the screenshot of this because now I will proceed sum number 32. So I'll rub the board and start solving. Sum number 32. In sum number 32, it is given that 1 by 4 x plus 4, 1 by 4 in bracket x plus 4, bracket closed, then 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 4x plus 8, is equal to 10. X by 4 plus 4 by 4, because first we will try to remove the bracket and multiply the outside term with the inside expressions, plus 4x by 3 plus 8 by 3 is equal to 10, or x by 4 plus 4x by 3, 10 minus 4 by 4 will cancel, it will become 1 by 1, so 1. So 10 minus 1 minus 8 by 3 4 3s are 12, so 12 will be the LCM. 4 3s are 12, so 3x, and 3 4s are 12, so 3 into 4, 4 into 4, 16x. 4 3s are 12, 4 into 4x, 16x. Now here it will become 3 as the denominator. 30 minus 3 minus 8, or 19x by 12 is equal to 30 minus 11 by 3, or 19x by 12 is equal to 19 by 3, or x is equal to 19 by 3 into 12 by 19. As you can see, it has been cross multiplied. So 19 and 19 will cancel, 3 and 12 will cancel, and 4 will be the answer of sum number 32. In this way we will solve sum number 32. Now we will solve sum number 33. I am rubbing the board and starting sum number 33. So starting sum number 33 for you. Sum number 33 is given 3x minus 1, 3 plus 2, 5x minus 1, plus 5, 2x plus 1, is equal to 0. Or now we will try to remove the bracket and multiply the outside number with the inside terms. Individually we will multiply. 3 into 3x gives you 9x minus 3, plus 2 into 5x 10x minus 2, plus 5 to the 10x plus 5 equals to 0, or 9x plus 10x plus 10x we will keep the variables in the left hand side, and all the numerical constant we will shift it to the right hand side and change the sign. So minus 5 plus 3 plus 2, or 29x equals to minus 5 plus 5, which is 0. So 29x equals to 0, or x is equal to 0 by 29, which means 0. Again, this is the answer of sum number 33. So you can see in this way you will solve all the sums of exercise 19. I will provide you one more video to complete the exercise and to complete the chapter. I hope you are getting the chapter well. More I will help you to explain in the online classes. So practice the sums well. Till then, goodbye.